In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks. If you're running an online store with Shopify and want to streamline your accounting with QuickBooks, you're in the right place. By connecting these two platforms, you can save time, reduce manual data entry, and keep your finances organized. Whether you're tracking sales, managing inventory, or handling taxes, this integration will make your workflow much smoother. And if you're new to Shopify, you'll find a registration link in the description below to help you get started. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open your QuickBooks account. Once logged in, look to the left-hand panel on your dashboard and locate the section labeled Apps. Click on that to access QuickBooks App Marketplace. Next, in the Apps section, click on the tab that says Find Apps. This will open up a search bar where you can browse for third-party applications that integrate with QuickBooks. Here, type the word Shopify into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll now see a list of search results. Take a moment to locate the app called Shopify Connector by QuickBooks. This is the official integration tool designed to connect Shopify with your QuickBooks account. Once you've found it, click on the app name to open its details page. On the details page, you'll find an overview of the app, including its features and benefits. Take your time to read through this information. It's always a good idea to understand what an app can do before you install it. When you're ready to proceed, look to the top right corner of the app's details page and click the button labeled Get App Now. At this point, you'll be guided through a series of authentication prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Follow these prompts carefully to finalize the connection between Shopify and QuickBooks. Once completed, your Shopify store will be linked to your QuickBooks account, allowing the two platforms to work together seamlessly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.